If you're in the business of dropshipping, there's a very good chance you've heard of Instagram influencers. And today, guys, I'm going to tell you how to contact them and how to get a response every single time. Before I begin, I just want to point out, I got a little new setup here. I'm not sitting down. I don't have the TV behind me because I did realize that the TV causes these weird bars on the screen and it's kind of annoying. And this, I just feel a lot more free and I could be like, yo, what's up guys? Let's talk about some money-making skills, education, yeah. Anyway, today we're going to be talking about how you go about contacting influencers on Instagram to give shout-outs specifically for your dropshipping page, but this can really work for any type of e-commerce business you have going for you. So I want to preface this by saying that Instagram influencers are not these big scary people, right? They're in it for the money. All you have to do is be like, hey, I have money. I want your service that you're offering, which is shoutouts, and I'll give you the money for that. And in turn, I won't bring down the quality of your Instagram page because I know that's what brings you all your money in the first place. And now this is super easy to do if you go very tactfully about it, and I have a script I'm going to give you guys. It's super easy. There's really nothing to worry about, but there are a few things that you have to focus on and you have to kind of figure out before you go about contacting these influencers. So the first thing, and probably the most important thing you need to remember, is that you need to keep it professional at all times. Alright, you don't want to be contacting them from your personal Instagram page and be like, hi, I like your account, I want to give you money to shout out my business that I have, let me know, thank you. Horrible, absolutely horrible. Don't do that. I really hope none of you guys actually have done that before. But that is a horrible example. It's not professional at all, and it's not going to have them want to work with you. So the thing with influencers is if they give shout outs to every company that comes to them, they're going to make a good amount of money. However, the quality of these shout outs is going to go through the floor. It's going to be absolutely horrible. Their followers are going to get very angry at them, and future businesses that may want to advertise will see these horrible shout outs and be like, oh wow, they just give them out to anybody. Their followers are not going to be warmed up to this. I'm not going to be willing to give them any money for this. So, easy pass for me, I'm done. So you need to give off the impression of, hey, we're a very established business. If you give us a shout out, and we'll pay you obviously, your followers aren't going to be pissed off about sponsored content on your page. They actually might like it. They may see it as helpful content, and then they'll go buy our stuff and they'll like you. Mutually beneficial thing here. Let's get this going. So this is very easy to do, and I'm going to touch on this in a little bit, but additionally, when you are contacting them, you do want to seem pretty professional, but you also want to suck up to them a little bit, right? You want to make them feel good about themselves. And what I mean by that is when you contact them, you want to say, hey, I really like the look of your feed. I love your Instagram account. It works really well with our brand. That's why I'm reaching out to you. I think that together we can both mutually benefit each other's brands with the services and the content that we both offer. And now when you contact them and you're talking like this, you definitely want to contact them through your business Instagram. And that's why this is so important to grow your business's Instagram, or one of the many reasons why it's so important. Because when you contact them and they look at your page, they're like, oh wow, they have 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 followers, very good high quality content posted. They're obviously a well-established brand. I'm not going to feel bad about working with them. As opposed to, let's say you contact them through your personal Instagram account. First of all, that's absolutely horrible. There's nothing professional about that. Or you contact them through your brand new Instagram account that has like 100 followers. They're going to think that this is very illegitimate. There's a good chance they'll still work with you if you're still giving them money, but they're going to be pretty sketched out about it and not as happy about it as they possibly could be. So make sure you've got a really good brand behind the message that you're sending to them. If they do want it through email, have a business email that kind of encompasses all of your e-commerce ventures. Mine is like my last name, Enterprises. That's just what I do. You could do whatever you want, but make it look really professional. Don't send them an email from unicornlovers69xxx@gmail.com. horrible, there's a very high chance that you won't get a response if you do that. So make sure that all of your channels, all of your communications are just very, very professional looking. All right, so I'd say that the step right before contacting them is figuring out how exactly you want your shout out to be structured, because you need to know this and you need to bring it up in your contacting of the influencer about what exactly you want. So let's just say, for example, let's say we're doing a dog necklace, right? And we're contacting an account of like a woman and her dog, okay? Just throwing that out there. So what we're gonna wanna do is we want to customize this necklace for the woman and for the dog, and actually send them the product too, you know, because I felt when it's a customized item like this, especially if it's customized for the influencer, it does so much better, because it shows, wow, this company does something that is very unique. I can't get this anywhere else. They make it for me. That's awesome, right? So that's just an example of a really good thing to do. You don't have to do it like this, but this is the way I'm choosing to do it for the example, right? So I'm gonna have this custom necklace, I'm gonna send it to her, and I want her to just have a post of her wearing it, posing with her dog, right? So that's all I want. I want this post to be up for about 4 hours, because from what I've found, 4 hours is about the cutoff to where shout outs stop being effective. They're the most effective in those first 4 hours, and generally if you're like, hey, I want a 4-hour shout out, they'll give you a much cheaper price, and it's proportionately much better to get the 4 hours and then get out than to pay for like 12 hours and pay probably twice as much, and you get maybe only a third more of the order. So, you know, it kind of balances out. You can really do whatever, but I recommend 4 hours. So basically, just to recap what I'm gonna proposition, I'm gonna be like, hey, I'm gonna send you this customized necklace. All I want you to do is post it in any which way you like, whichever way blends into your feed best, because I really like the way that you do it, for 4 hours. If you could please get back to me with your rates, I'd absolutely love to do business with you. Thank you very much. And also be like, is this format something you'd be interested in? And you can work with them a little bit and tweak it as things go on. So boom, there's my game plan. I got everything planned out. Now really it's time to contact them. And you have to see the best way to contact them. So you can contact them through Instagram DMs, okay? You can do this. However, if they have a business email in their little bio thing, use that. And the reason is because they get so many DMs from other accounts that are just saying like, hi, I like your content, blah, blah, blah. There's a good chance that they won't actually look at yours and consider it. So if they do have a business email, use that for sure, okay? If they don't, they'll probably be looking in their DMs. Some of them might say DM for promotions or anything. Just check out their bio, see what they have. Email is best. If not, then Instagram DMs. All right, so now the next step is to just send the letter that you've written out and you're good to go. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to give you an example of a message that I'd be sending to the dog lady about the necklace, and then you can go ahead and tweak this for your specific product or niche or influencer, whatever aspects you need to change, but it's going to be pretty universally similar. You just switch out the product, switch out like the generic compliment for that specific influencer, and you're golden. So guys, I'm gonna give that to you right after this, or right now. Yeah, here it is. Hello, my name is Zach, and I am the owner and operator of Dog Jewelry Co., a company that provides high-quality customized jewelry for all kinds of dog lovers. I came across your Instagram account, and seeing how well your content lines up with ours, I'd love to be able to work with you. What I'd love to do is purchase a shout-out on your page, in which we will send you one of our best-selling products, a necklace customized with your dog's picture and name, and you post it in whichever style you find fitting for your feed. The way you style your post now is perfect. A 4-hour post is all we need, so if you could get back to me with a quote for how much a shout out of this caliber would cost, I'd really appreciate that, and we could then work a bit more on specifics. Thank you so much for your time, and I look forward to your response. Alright guys, so that's it. I really hope you enjoyed. Go ahead and leave a like down below. I would really appreciate that. Helps me so much. Also, subscribe and hit that bell button. I upload every single day. New information every day. It's absolutely crazy. Also, go ahead and check out 101ecom.com. It's my website. I got some helpful stuff on there. Also, go ahead and check out the link in the description for a free 14-day Shopify trial if you want to get this started, if you want to go ahead and get in on these influencers. Highly recommend it. And guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video of whatever I make. Peace out.